Hi, here's how to export the list of your students' performance from the Quest app. Go to the My Quest section and click on the three dots on the Quest card of the preferred Quest. Here, you get an option of exporting the list, an option that says Export List. As you click on this option, you will be asked to verify your email ID by sending an OTP. So click on the Get OTP option and you will be sent an OTP on your email. Do check your email to receive the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, click on the Export List option at the bottom of your screen and the list will be exported successfully.